ever happened to you that in the middle of the night, you weren't able to fall asleep? You were thinking, why on earth I didn't get that promotion, or I didn't get the money I asked for? In your heart and thinking, wow, if I negotiate really hard in the process, I might get backlash, or they didn't like me, or they think I'm a bitch. Earlier in my career, I had the same experience. 6 years ago, I finished my PhD program and joined the Fortune 500 company. At the time, I thought, I need to be liked because I'm young. It's important to show that I'm very good at teamwork. However, I was wrong. Until one day, a sexual harassment happened in the office. And I went to talk to HR and tried to tell him what happened. He didn't write down any notes. He didn't ask who that was. He didn't ask any details. He simply ignored me. Since that incident, I learned that being nice is not going to help myself. Somebody else get the money or promotion or offer they had, but nobody will stand up for me besides myself. Since then, I learned how to negotiate for myself and stand up for myself. 3 out of 6 years of my professional life, I received more than 10% raise year after another. And some years I received more than 30% raise. On top of that, company has to start to promote me 1 year after another. And until today, I finally get my own product management team. I also start to talk to myself that if I'm able to apply this negotiation in work, can I do that for life as well? The answer is yes. In real life, negotiation is called influence. You're there not mainly for the money, it's mainly there to influence other people to help you out. As a woman, every day there's so many things happening in our life. You want to be a career-driven woman, you want to get promoted, you also want to be a great mom, great wife, great daughter, a great everything. You want to have fabulous hair if you want to, right? Society wants us to do better. But it's very hard as a woman to balance everything together. We need to learn how to ask what we want and create some time for ourselves and focus on things that we love to do. Or even spending time on your kids. You need to create the opportunity to work with your husband so that you prioritize your time with your kids. So my name is Nancy Lee. As you all know my insecurities and different things happen in my life, I'm here being very honest with you that what I believe the biggest satisfaction is to achieve something bigger than myself. I am going to launch a course to teach women how to negotiate. At the end of the course, you'll be able to ask what you're looking for very confidently. And you build out your confidence gradually and apply what you learned, the strategy, into your work and your life. Within half a year, you'll be able to ask for the specific offers or money or any collaboration opportunities you're looking for. I'm here to help out, help you to implement. I know what's in your mind right now. There are so many free negotiation workshops out there and also $10 courses. Why I need to spend money and learn from you, which is Nancy. Do you know that only 9% of people who bought the online course eventually finished it? And think about how many of those 9% people will eventually apply what they learn into real life. If it is true, there won't be any gender gap moving forward. So lots of time in our real life, it's not about strategy. It's about how you use it, how can you keep yourself accountable, how can you build your confidence, remove the fear, and walk into the office and write down what you want and get ready for that moment. It's about execution. In the past 2 years, I've spent over $20,000 in self-development because it takes time to get to where you are. Especially the most important thing is build your confidence to apply what you learned in real life and work. I'm only going to accept 10 people into this workshop because I want to do it right, and we want to have a specific environment for everyone to trust each other and apply what we learned and get what they want together. This course will only going to be open for 5 days. Within 5 days, once I receive 10 applicants, I'm going to shut down this course. You might ask, why such urgency in the middle of summer? Don't you want to go for vacation? The answer is very simple. One word: economy. It is very hard to predict when the next recession is coming, but we all know that things goes up and down. Usually it's way easier to prepare and improve yourself when the time is good. I encourage everybody to start work on themselves and improve their skill set so that when the right opportunity comes, you're going to capture that and enhance it. In addition, if you're able to sign up within 5 days, you're going to get half an hour free one-on-one training with me. So I'm going to analyze specifically what challenges you're facing and what strategy is going to work well for your own life. I'm going to offer 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not the right content or right course or workshop for you, feel free to return the money because I know I have confidence it's going to work. If it's not for you, it's okay. We're all here to learn and help each other out. I'm only looking for people who want to take actions. It's not about I listen to some new tips, I will play with it. No. The 10 people who is part of this group is going to be sisters and help each other to improve and encourage others and build confidence together. So if you're serious about making improvement of your life, please go ahead to sign up and click the link, take one of those 10 spots before they are gone. Please also forward this video to other people if you think they can benefit from this. Alright, thank you very much. I know lots of you guys already subscribed to this news channel and you're not in Boston for the specific workshop. It's okay. I'm going to launch the virtual workshop in the near future. So do please right now sign up down below and capture 1 out of 10 opportunities to get into this workshop. In addition, for the virtual workshop, and also leave the information, let me know you want to do that. We can open another virtual workshop opportunities for people who's not in Boston. Thank you. Have a good day.